Cleaning tasks at the office you should not ignore. Some cleaning tasks at the office should be handled in a timely fashion regularly. And we are going to talk about these tasks in this video. According to 2019 statistics, the commercial cleaning industry made around $61 billion. Based on these statistics, we can get a pretty good idea of the importance of commercial cleaning. Therefore, it makes sense to hire professional cleaners, especially if you have an office to clean. In this video, we will discuss a few office cleaning tasks that you should never ignore. Let's get started. First, if you have a large workplace, your best bet is to opt for a commercial office cleaning company. After all, keeping your office neat and clean is essential for hygienic purposes. Moreover, a neat and clean workplace makes a good impression on potential clients or customers. Now, let's talk about the ultimate office cleaning checklist and share some tips that may help you make these cleaning tasks more manageable. Number 1. Dusting. This cleaning checklist aims to help you clean your office since most business owners don't have the time and tools to clean an office. The good news is that dusting is on the list of cleaning tasks that don't require much time or effort. So, even if you have 10 minutes of spare time, you can dust everything in your offices, including cabinets, monitors, tables, chairs and other accessories. Dusting will make your office shine and reduce the number of allergens that may cause your employees to suffer from respiratory issues. Number 2. Empty trash bins. The purpose of office cleaning is to keep everything neat, clean, tidy and shiny. But that doesn't mean you have to empty the trash cans daily. Based on your office size, you may need to empty your office trash cans more or less often. Generally, you can empty your trash can once per week. The good news is that you can hire a rubbish removal service to deliver supplies, such as toilet paper and paper towels. Number 3. Vacuuming. In the past, vacuuming an office required a lot of time and effort. But, today, this cleaning task has become a piece of cake. The good news is that you can invest in high-end vacuum cleaners that feature laser technology to rebuild real-time maps and measure surroundings. This technology is known as the LiDAR system, which is why these vacuum cleaners can navigate everyday office objects like shoes, cables and furniture. All you need to do is turn on these units, let them move around your office floor, and suck up all the dust and debris. Number 4. Mopping. After dusting, mopping is another not-so-fun activity for office cleaning. However, mopping is essential, especially if you have a non-carpeted office floor. Ignore this cleaning task, and your office floor will become full of gunk and grime. So, you must pay special attention to your office kitchen and bathrooms. You may hire a professional cleaner to mop your office floor every week. Number 5. Wipe and disinfect shared appliances. Apart from dusting and mopping, wiping down shared office appliances is also essential. These appliances include telephones, computer monitors, coffee makers, elevator buttons and blenders. All you need to do is get disinfectant wipes to wipe down handles and buttons. And the beauty of this cleaning task is that it doesn't require more than a few minutes. This activity aims to curb the spread of viruses and bacteria in your office. So, if you follow your office cleaning checklist every week, you can keep your office free of dust, dirt, germs and bacteria. Make sure that you clean your office regularly. If you don't have much time to do your office cleaning tasks, we suggest that you hire the services of an excellent commercial cleaner, such as Top Commercial Cleaning London. Their services are high-end and reasonably priced. So, you can contact them for a free-of-charge quote. Enjoyed our content? Give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and subscribe for more of the same. Have questions or ideas? Want to ask us something? Drop us a line in the comments below. Also, we would like to invite to join our virtual online masterclasses to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Thank you for watching, and until next time, FastKlean. A greener and healthier future.